It's Bonnie. Happy Thursday! I am back. It's so odd today that I chose to wear pink because this is kind of a summer shirt. I don't know. I just pulled it out of my closet, and coincidentally, I'm going to review Twisted Peppermint, which also happens to be pink. I don't know. I'm in a pink mood today. So, Twisted Peppermint is back at Bath and Body Works. Actually, I just photographed on Instagram the entire faceted collection in the fine fragrance mist. By the way, if you hear a ticking in the background, I got the clock going. I'm actually going to review the Bath and Body Works clock because it's working. The pendulum is swinging. I'm so excited. So that's actually coming up next. But faceted this year, check it out. We have Winter Candy Apple, Vanilla Bean Noel, and Golden Berry Mistletoe, which I'm not a fan of. However, I really do like this collection in the faceted. You know what's funny? Last year, I was like, they're going to do the core collection in the faceted, and it didn't happen. And now this year they did. So I am really loving the packaging this year. It's gorgeous. And I think the pink with the Twisted Peppermint just works in the faceted. It's absolutely gorgeous. And the price is $17.95, a little higher than the app reward, but not into that like $19 range, which I'm happy about because then when you do like the buy three, get three, it goes lower, but you should be buying these at the set sale prices. So from now until like Christmas, Bath and Body Works is going to be doing Try to Believe It sales like every weekend. More coming, more sales. So the best advice that I can give you right now is to always wait for a sale and then buy what you need or what you want to stock up on based on the price. We're going to do a lot of talking about price between now and like Black Friday. I'm going to do a budgeting for Christmas video, probably Saturday or Sunday, just so we can start talking about like how to figure out where to put your candle money because you want to get the most product for your dollar. So Twisted Peppermint is one of my favorite scents. Sometimes they take it out of the core collection and they've put it like in a side, like Arctic collection. Either way, I love it. This one is your cool peppermint, sugared snow, fresh balsam, and vanilla buttercream. I like this one because I feel like not a lot of people have a body care in peppermint that I really, really love. It was funny, I went to TJ Maxx today. I almost bought the Philosophy Peppermint Bubble Bath to review, and then I got distracted by something else. They had so much good stuff at TJ Maxx, and then I forgot to go back and get it. But I'd like to maybe review that at some point. I don't know. Next week, I think I'm going to start hitting the stores because there's so much good Christmas stuff rolling in. So, what I love about the Twisted Peppermint is you get that really nice peppermint note. I actually probably have, yeah, I do. I have one in my pocket. I carry the Lifesaver PEPPERMINTs everywhere. These are like my thing. I love these. I'm a huge fan of peppermint, not wintergreen. I don't mind spearmint, but peppermint is definitely my number one scent. So you get the peppermint, but it's not like overwhelming. It doesn't have a bite to it to the point where you're like, I can't do this. Crushed candy cane in the candle, much stronger. This has got a creamy note. I smell the buttercream in this. I always have, and I love the buttercream note in here because it almost smells like a peppermint frosting, like a peppermint buttercream frosting. And then, of course, the fresh balsam and the sugared snow. A little bit of an outdoorsy note. So a lot of people, when they spray this on, are like, it feels cool. But I think when you smell peppermint, you do get like that coolness. But it's not so much that it's like overpowering. To me, like when I have a headache, I grab my Twisted Peppermint and it always like helps me. I like that they did the pink lid. I think that the matching lids kind of make this collection. I think it's super pretty. Oh my gosh, I could smell this all day. I always stock up on Twisted Peppermint so I have enough to make it through the year. This is what it looks like in the cream. I'm going to show you guys sometime in the next couple of weeks how to polish your furniture with the Bath & Body Works body cream. Your whole house is going to smell like Christmas. It's amazing. I do this all the time. And it's just a wonderful, oh my gosh, winter candy apple in your house after you dust it with the body cream. It smells so good. I feel like there's a strength this year. A lot of people are like, has Bath & Body Works gotten weaker over the years? I think it has a little bit. But I feel like Twisted Peppermint this year has got some staying power, both in the cream and the mist. I've tested both of them out. I gotta say, I absolutely love the lotion this year. So we should be having a set lotion sale coming up. It's usually $3.95. Hold off on the lotion until the sale. I'm going to be doing a huge lotion video. But look at that. Isn't that pretty? I love it. And then Twisted Peppermint has a very light smell in the lotion. So I used this one this year and I'm like, it's not super strong. I love the packaging. Some people don't want that super strong scent. It's fine. I get it. So if you just want like a light peppermint and you like the lighter formula, by the way, you can't polish your furniture with the lotion. You have to use the cream. It's thicker. It just works better. And then the shower gel. I have one of these in the bathroom right now. I gotta say, if you're doing a pink theme for Christmas, this is going to be your go-to. I love this in the shower gel. I swear that Winter Candy Apple, Vanilla Bean Noel, Twisted Peppermint this year are like my go-to shower gels. I'm actually in need of some more shower gel. We've been using a lot of this. So anyway, beautiful. You can use this as a bubble bath. I do all the time. It works, but this is absolutely gorgeous in the faceted and it smells good. I also have, I bought this yesterday, the antibacterial hand spray. Where are the creams? I was so happy. Paula, I think I put it in my car already. I just ran out of last year's Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin. Where are the creamy, like, pump lotions for the hand sanitizer? I love those so much. So this is the hand sanitizer. And these smell a little bit more like alcohol because obviously they're hand sanitizer. These have 72% alcohol in them. Hand soap, always a go-to for me. I love the Twisted Peppermint in the hand soap. To me, for some reason, the hand soap smells a little bit sweeter. I don't know why, but it's a little bit of a different scent note, probably because of the formula. And then I did buy a little pocket bag for the Twisted Peppermint this year already. It's a favorite of mine. I could smell Twisted Peppermint all day. So I will be doing a little bit of a stock up so that I have enough to last me throughout the year. So anyway, Twisted Peppermint back. It's also in the candle, 3-wick candle, which smells so good this year. The single wick. It's also in the 3-wick in another kind of like wintry design. The lip scrub. Lenny went home with the lip scrub. He'd never seen lip scrub before. I'm like, you've never used lip scrub before? He's so excited about the lip scrub. Lip gloss, the lip mask, hand cream, bath fizzy, car fragrance refill, concentrated room spray, wallflowers, and the minis. So lots of stuff to be had. I did get the mini in this little thing. I'm so excited. So anyway, let me know what you think about Twisted Peppermint this year. We're going to be doing all of these. I'm going to review everything, and then I'm going to do some rankings. We're going to have budgeting tips, all kinds of stuff. So hit the subscribe button. I got more coming. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.